In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter emails in Gmail to a label. So first, I'm opening up Gmail and making sure I'm in my inbox. Up at the top, I'm clicking on the search bar and then I'm going to click Show Search Options to see all the filtering possibilities. From here, I'm focusing on the From field and typing in the email address I want to filter. This is the email that I want all messages from to go directly to a specific label. Once that's entered, I'm clicking on Create Filter down here at the bottom, and now I see a bunch of actions I can choose from. The one I want is Apply the Label, so I'm checking that box, and then I click on Choose Label to see all my existing labels. I scroll through and select the label that makes the most sense for these emails. If I don't have the label yet, I could also create a new one right from this menu, but for now I'm just picking one I already use. After the label is selected, I'm clicking Create Filter and Gmail confirms that it's been set up. From now on, any incoming email from that address will automatically go into the label I chose, keeping my inbox clean and organized without me having to move anything manually. At this point, the filter is active and I can repeat the same process for any other email addresses I want to sort. It's really handy for managing newsletters, work emails, or anything that tends to pile up. This way I can glance at my main inbox for urgent messages while everything else gets neatly tucked into the right category. So to recap, I clicked on the search bar, showed the search options, typed in the sender's email, created the filter, applied the label, chose the label from the drop down, and then clicked Create Filter. That's it, and now Gmail automatically sorts incoming messages for me. It's a small setup step that saves a lot of time in the long run and keeps your inbox way more manageable, and that's really all there is to it. Once your filter is set up, Gmail does the work for you, and you can focus on the emails that actually need your attention.